Hey everyone, Mother's Day is coming up, so if your mom loves to travel or is about to retire and start traveling, here are a couple gift ideas, mostly under $30. Here's a picture of my glamorous mom, and since she's retired, she travels so much I barely know which country she's in. Here are a couple pictures of my mom traveling, and yes, that's her ziplining in Costa Rica. I can't wait to retire. I do a full-time job and I worked in neuroscience, and experts agree that there are a couple things that you can do to keep your brain healthy, and they are social connections, learning new things, and exercising. And guess what? Travel hits all of those three things. The first gift to keep mom healthy and safe is a travel first aid kit. This is very handy for minor cuts and bruises. I'm lucky that my mom is still healthy enough to travel, but this pill organizer is great for her vitamins and a couple medications that she has. It's also arthritis friendly. Compression socks are also a great idea for those long haul flights. They improve circulation and they keep her legs from swelling. Some travel essential gift ideas are eye masks and earplugs. And my mom always taught me to stay out of the sun to prevent wrinkles, so a good quality Sunstick. This one I especially love. You can find this on Olive Young website, and it goes right over your makeup. It's so light and weightless. I almost don't even know where it is, but it is a great product and I use it all the time. Another good thing to get are fresh travel size containers. I always replace them after a while because they get yucky. A fun travel gift for mom would be a travel size jewelry case. This one can keep all of her jewelry nicely organized. My mom's always afraid people are going to walk off with the wrong suitcase, so she ties these crazy strings all over hers. You can give her this nice luggage tag instead. And to combat that dry airplane air, your mom can use this facial mist. I love this product. It is very lightweight and it is 100 ml, so it's perfect for your carry-on bag. If your mom loves perfume, but she doesn't want to bring the whole bottle, she can bring this travel-size perfume atomizer and fill it right from the bottom with her favorite perfume. What I'm going to do is package these all into a new toiletry bag so that she has everything that she needs for her next trip. You can find some of these items in the link in my bio. I hope you have a great Mother's Day.